Hello my lovelies, Sugar Kenny here. Alright, I have a Halloween costume party today. I don't have a costume. I have a concept of what it is. The party's at 7:30 or 15. I'm gonna get dressed really quick. There's a Spirit Halloween near where I live, and I'm also gonna hit a Target. I want to be a witch. That's what I'm thinking. So first I gotta see if I have like any like black type of dresses in my closet. All right, so the good news is that I have a black dress. The bad news is that I don't think this matches like the witchy aesthetic. It's definitely a bodycon type dress, and it has arms. And on Pinterest, all I'm seeing is lacy type, you know, dresses for like little witch costumes. I mean, I guess I can always be different. But theirs are also like short, and this is long. I had like a little black dress, but I grew. Therefore, it looked like a toddler's dress on me, and I cannot walk out the house like that. Not in this house of the Lord, okay? I also have to clean my room and my bathroom before I go. Someone was on the case. Right, basically I just had to put my laundry away. I was in the process of putting my laundry away until my nephew needed to take a nap, and I was his only option. All right, this dress from H&M, by the way. You know what, now that I feel like with just how the type of dress this is, I feel like I could just, you know, always make it shorter, because it has like a ruche on the bottom, so maybe I could just, I don't know, blend that. What do you feel that looks odd? What are you thinking? Obviously, I want to get like some black lace leggings, probably with like some designs on them, preferably. Actually, I'm not that mad at this choice of dress, actually. Sometimes I really just have to try things on. Like, I have to be hating for no reason. Yeah. But then I still have to get shoes. Right, the general consensus, I need to find like some booties. Like the type of shoe. I hate the name of those shoes. Who coined that? I guess like little boots, booty, whatever. Annoying. I'm gonna get out of this, put it something else. I'm gonna go to the store officially. Y'all, it is October. Tell me why it is a smooth 86 out today. I feel like that just makes no damn sense, bro. It's fall. It's not feeling like fall at all. I do not understand. Guess this is our section, man. Oh man, would you look at that? Oh, this is the best. Oh boy.
Finding everything all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
It looks a little cheap, but I mean, it's a witch's hat that I'm never gonna wear again. Let me see. Find a better option. See that big one up there? I probably could do better. See, this is extra shit. See, her hat isn't big as fuck. And she is wearing a long dress. Oh, a little wand. This is cute. Okay. Alright, y'all, we're making a very quick detour. There's this bowl place that's right, I mean, like, a couple stores down from the Halloween place I was just at that I want to try. So we're trying it. I have an original milk tea, large, with tapioca.
Good.
And then think what I ordered is hard to mess up. But they get a point deduction for that lid being hard as fuck to pop open. Alright, so I think I don't even have to go to Target because I got majority of the stuff at the Halloween place. It's not like I'm about to go crazy, bro. It's a party. I'm gonna be hot as fuck in that bitch. If it's already in it, feels like summer outside. I don't feel like fall. And it's gonna be one of those hotel parties. So who knows? Maybe I'm just gonna go to, let me see if like, there is a, I think it's a Walgreens or a CVS pharmacy that's right across the street from here. So we're gonna see if they have any like black lipstick. I have like a purple lipstick and I want to mix it, like do a little ombre. Honestly, I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about, but the shoes. Never mind, I still gotta go to the mall. Alright. I'm gonna get this fucking car, bro. All these empty ass shelves, ain't no fucking way everybody just wanted the exact fucking shade that I wanted. Fucking we're about to walk right there. You're gonna see what the fuck I'm talking about. How there was like literally just empty. Yeah. When do y'all niggas restock? Every time I come in this bitch, it's never. And you wonder why I always go to Target. Okay, there's like these type of stiletto type shits. Those are green. Those are green. I'm more mad about this lipstick. I have. Okay, so right now I'm trying this. I've never tried this before. I've never tried either of these, but this is an eyeliner. Everybody knows that you can double an eyeliner for lip liner. But, like, how much liner can I put on without it looking weird? The fact that I don't have black lipstick to go with the ombre. Just pissed me off. Damn, they don't even want to wear fucking pinks and tans. Where the black lipstick at? Next year for Halloween, I'm doing all this shit in advance. Getting all this shit in advance. Alright, we're home. I'm here. I'm forgetting about going to listen. Because time is already on crunch, I didn't want to risk going to the mall not finding it. Now I'm running out. So we're just gonna have to make it work with as many pairs of black shirts I have in my closet. I cannot believe I don't have anything that goes like, come on. Alright, so makeup first. Let's bring a whole container. Y'all see me do my makeup more than enough time that y'all don't gotta see it again. I'll come back when we're done. Alright, it's giving. We're getting snatched. We're getting snatched. When it comes to makeup for these witch things, I'm not seeing anybody go too crazy. But I know I want to do like a little like ombre moment. So I'm going to start off with the lips and see if I can make it work. So that's going to determine what our eye colors. I don't want to do no eyeshadow yet, so I know what I'm going to do with my lips. They match. And the cohesive palette. Wrong thing. I done picked up the movie. I forgot in my last video I was going through my makeup and I got rid of that purple lipstick. I don't use it. I'm not gonna use purple. No, hold on. I think I gave it to my niece. I think. I gotta double check. No, I didn't. Okay. But it's like a little plump. This is old as shit. I don't even know how to do it. That is very much giving Halloween. Alright. Now for the eyes, that part I'm scared because if I mess I'm gonna be so angry at myself. Very angry. This reminds me why I don't ever wear lipstick. I'm a lip liner. Y'all. But 'tis the season to try new things. I have this Morphe palette with some darks. I think I'm probably gonna go with like a dark color. Maybe see if I can find a type of plum to put on top. If not, it's like probably like a dark smoky eye.
On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some more. Gerard up down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride. Show me what's outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get right.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild.
You know, what's your favorite cash Are we trying this out? I have yet. I don't have the skill to put lashes on yet. Not with my blind ass. Okay, because I can't see when my glasses are not on. So we're trying this Maybelline The Falsies Garden Express. It's waterproof. I didn't even check that when I got this actually. I just bought it. Alright. Definitely feels cheap. That wand feels crazy. Oh my god, I did not set my face.
Bloodstream.
Alright, I'm gonna get dressed. Alright, here we are. Witch's hat is in the car. I can't bring that past my mom. We got, look at the stockings, bro. Tell me something in witch. Yeah, Alright, the general consensus is that I must wear these. Pilgrim steppers. My sister said these are real. These are witches wearing shoes. I'm pulling my dress all the way down. So I can go show my mom. Be like, look, mom, it's not that bad. The good news is, it's only 16 minutes away from me. And it's at 7:30. It's 6:35. So I have like an hour to go. I was out here rushing for no reason. Thankfully, I usually always have that like black purse. I already know what's gonna go in this bag. I have no idea why I decided to record that like that. Like, what the? That shit got me weak as fuck. Alright, ignore that. Ignore that. Ignore that. I know it's dark as shit. Oh my god, I'm black as shit right now. I made it past my mom. And that was the real kicker.
I just hum and let the watch give up the neons when it rains and pours. I laugh to myself when I change the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. There's something about how your ex was a toy.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give me something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that